As men age, especially after 60, it's natural to notice changes in energy, stamina, and intimate performance. Many of my patients ask me, "Doctor, is there a safe, natural way to bring back strength and confidence without relying on harmful chemicals or risky shortcuts?" The good news is, yes, there is. In today's video, Dr. Angelina Dcosta, I will reveal a simple, natural ingredient you can add to your daily tea that supports blood circulation, boosts vitality, and helps restore performance faster than you may expect. This method is rooted in science and centuries of traditional wellness practices, making it both effective and safe for long-term use. We'll also discuss how this tea addition works inside your body, why circulation is the foundation of male performance, and how you can combine this with small lifestyle changes to maximize results. By the end of this video, you will understand how something so simple can make such a powerful difference for men over 60. Watch till the end, because I'll also share a few bonus tips that my senior patients have found life-changing. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our trusted health advice made especially for seniors and caregivers. Let's get started. Firstly, let's see why performance declines with age. Many men over the age of 60 often wonder, why does my performance not feel the same as it used to? The truth is, this change is a completely natural part of aging, but understanding why it happens is the first step toward improving it. As we grow older, the body's circulation begins to slow down. Healthy blood flow is essential for strength, stamina, and intimacy, but factors like stiffening of blood vessels, reduced nitric oxide production, and declining hormone levels can weaken this vital process. At the same time, lifestyle habits, such as poor diet, lack of exercise, stress, or insufficient sleep, can make the problem worse. Hormonal changes, particularly lower testosterone, also play a key role. This not only affects performance, but can reduce confidence, energy, and even mood. For many men, these combined factors create a cycle that makes it harder to bounce back. The good news is, decline is not the end. With the right nutrition, natural remedies, daily movement, and mindful stress control, performance can be supported and improved at any age. Aging is natural, but losing vitality doesn't have to be. Next, move on and see the role of circulation in male health. Good circulation is one of the most important foundations of male health. For men, especially after the age of 50 or 60, proper blood flow does more than just support energy, it plays a direct role in confidence, performance, and overall vitality. When blood vessels are healthy and flexible, oxygen and nutrients can easily reach muscles, organs, and tissues. This supports stamina, endurance, and recovery. On the other hand, when circulation slows due to aging, poor lifestyle habits, or conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes, men often notice a drop in strength, focus, and intimate performance. Circulation is also closely linked to heart health. The same arteries that supply blood to the heart are responsible for delivering blood to other areas of the body. This is why doctors often say that changes in performance can sometimes be an early warning sign of circulatory problems. The encouraging news is that improving circulation is possible at any age. Natural remedies, regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and stress management all help to keep blood flowing freely. When circulation is strong, men not only feel better but also regain confidence and energy in their daily lives. Next, let's move on to main topic, the natural ingredient you should add to your tea. One of the simplest and most effective ways to support male vitality is by adding a natural ingredient to your daily tea, ginger. This common kitchen spice is more than just a flavor enhancer, it is a powerful health booster that has been trusted for centuries. Ginger helps improve blood circulation by naturally relaxing blood vessels and supporting healthy blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach vital areas of the body, which directly supports stamina, energy, and performance. It also reduces inflammation, supports digestion, and boosts immunity, making it a complete health ally for men over 60. When enjoyed in warm tea, ginger's active compounds are absorbed quickly, giving your body a gentle but effective push toward better vitality. Regular use can also help maintain heart health, balance blood sugar, and ease joint discomfort, all issues that commonly affect aging men. The beauty of this remedy is its simplicity. Just a few slices of fresh ginger, or half a teaspoon of ginger powder in your tea each day, can make a real difference over time. It's natural, safe, and works best when paired with healthy lifestyle habit. Let's see how it works inside your body. When you add ginger to your tea, it immediately begins to work inside your body in several powerful ways. Ginger contains active compounds, called gingerols, which naturally relax blood vessels and improve circulation. This enhanced blood flow is crucial for male vitality, as it ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered efficiently to muscles, organs, and intimate areas. Better circulation not only supports performance but also strengthens heart health, which is the foundation of overall wellness. At the same time, ginger reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to fatigue, stiffness, and reduced energy in men over 60. Ginger also helps regulate blood sugar, which plays a role in maintaining consistent energy levels throughout the day. For men who often struggle with sluggishness or lack of stamina, this natural balancing effect can feel like a boost of youthful vitality. In addition, ginger aids digestion, meaning the body absorbs nutrients from food more effectively, giving you the fuel you need to stay active and confident. In short, ginger works at multiple levels, improving circulation, reducing inflammation, balancing blood sugar, and enhancing nutrient absorption, all of which combine to restore energy and performance naturally. Next section. Lifestyle tips to boost results. Adding ginger to your tea is powerful, but lasting results come from pairing it with healthy daily habits. Gentle exercise like walking or stretching improves circulation, while a diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains provides the fuel your body needs. Staying hydrated and getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night help restore energy and hormonal balance. Stress management through prayer, meditation, or deep breathing also plays a big role in maintaining performance. When these lifestyle practices work together, men over 60 can feel stronger, healthier, and more confident every day. Bonus tip. Many of my patients have shared small but effective habits that make a big difference in vitality and performance. Simple routines like starting the day with a warm cup of ginger tea, taking short walks after meals, or practicing deep breathing exercises have helped them regain energy and confidence. Some find stretching before bed reduces stiffness, while staying consistent with hydration and balanced meals supports stamina throughout the day. These small, daily choices may seem simple, but over time they build a foundation of health and strength that enhances the benefits of natural remedies and helps men over 60 feel more active, confident, and youthful. As we wrap up this video, men over 60 can regain strength, stamina, and confidence by taking small, consistent steps every day. Adding a natural ingredient like ginger to your tea is a simple yet powerful way to support circulation, improve nutrient delivery, and boost energy levels. This alone can make a noticeable difference in performance and overall vitality. However, the best results come when this is combined with healthy lifestyle habits. Gentle daily exercise, balanced nutrition, proper hydration, quality sleep, and stress management all work together to enhance your body's natural functions. Small practices like short walks, stretching, and mindful breathing can amplify the benefits and help you feel more active and confident. Remember, aging is natural, but declining vitality doesn't have to be. By embracing these natural, science-backed methods, men can feel stronger, healthier, and more energetic, restoring not just performance but overall well-being and confidence every day. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips, designed especially for seniors who want to stay healthy, strong, and independent. May you continue to walk with strength, energy, and joy. Until next time, take care of yourself, you deserve it. Thanks for watching.